You won't believe how much money this affiliate marketing method has made. Well, believe it or not, but the results will blow your mind. In this video, I am going to show you how you can use this affiliate marketing method of creating passive income by only answering questions on Quora with the help of ChatGPT. You will also learn how to set up your Quora account, how to find the right questions to answer, and how to optimize your answers for maximum visibility and engagement. Additionally, you will learn how to add affiliate links to your answers and earn a good commission on sales. So if you are interested in becoming an expert at affiliate marketing and earning money on autopilot, make sure to not miss a single part of this video. Before I'm going into any details, let me show you what you're going to need for making money with this method. You are going to need 3 websites. The first website is www.quora.com. It's a question and answer website where users can ask, answer, and interact with other users to share knowledge, ideas, and perspectives on various topics. It covers a broad range of subjects, from personal interests to professional fields. We are going to use this website to answer problems. The second website is Digistore24. Digistore24 is a popular platform for affiliate marketing as it allows vendors to easily manage their affiliate programs and provides affiliates with a wide range of products to promote. Affiliates can earn a commission for each sale they refer to a vendor's product on Digistore24, making it a convenient and profitable way to participate in affiliate marketing. Or you could use ClickBank for affiliate links. But this website is not accessible in all countries. If you can access it, well and good. But if not, don't worry, you can go to Digistore24. The third website is ChatGPT. We all know what this is capable of, so I will leave the explanation to you. After completely mastering these 3 steps I'm going to give you now, I can guarantee you can earn hundreds of dollars per day with this method. So, to keep you moving, the first step you need to take is to go to Quora and sign up for a free account. You can simply create an account here by either signing up or logging in with your Gmail. Once you've logged into Quora, you can see this platform where you can offer solutions to a number of problems. Excitingly, the real magic begins here. What you need to do is find some problems here and attach your affiliate link to the solution. So whenever a person buys that product with your link, you will get a commission. But before doing that, what you need to do is pick 3 main categories of the problems you want to focus on. So, to help you pick these 3 categories, all you need to do is open ChatGPT and simply ask it to give you some ideas related to the categories you want to focus on. And it will give you tons of ideas. You can pick any 3 ideas generated by ChatGPT. Let's say we pick the first 3 categories generated by ChatGPT, which are technology, health, and business. I highly recommend to break down these categories so that you can target a selected audience. Again, you can simply do this by asking ChatGPT to break it down, and it will break down the categories like this. You can now pick any subcategory you want. So I picked programming, nutrition, and marketing. These 3 are all my subcategories of my main categories ChatGPT had given me before. After you've picked the subcategories, you can head to the Quora search bar and search for potential problems. Like here, I typed nutrition, and as you can see, I found all these problems. Make sure you filter the search type to question and the time into the past day. This way you can get the latest questions. For example, when I picked this question, which says, "What is health and fitness?" We are going to answer this question, but how? Let me take you to ChatGPT and answer it in no time. Just paste the answer into ChatGPT, but make sure to give it a good command. I suggest you ask the chatbot to give different sections for the answer. and to summarize it into bullet points at the end. This way, you can get an outstanding, well-written answer. After giving the same command, I received this answer. Quite good, right? Now you can copy the answer from here and paste it into the answer section on Quora. Make sure to make the heading and subheading bold, because that makes it more professional for the reader. As you can see, we have written a good answer, and you would be waiting to submit it. But I want you to wait because we still need to complete one step, or this would all be for nothing. So let me take you to Digistore 24 and complete the last step. After you log into your Digistore 24 account, you will see all these products that you can sell and get a commission on. On the left side, you can also find different categories. In this case, we are looking for something related to fitness and health. So we'll click on it here and see which products we can promote here and get a good commission on. On the left side, you can also see the percentage of commission you will get. For the question we are answering, I find this product suitable. So I will click Promote Now and get an affiliate link like this. Pretty easy, right? Now let us come back to the original question. Here, you can add the link as your personal recommendation in the answer, and any person who buys this product on your link will help you earn a big commission. After you paste the product in the answer, convert it into a link like this. You can add the link at different places, but remember not to paste the link everywhere, because Quora might take this as spam and will remove your answer. Once the answer is completed, click the Submit button. And congratulations! You just learned how to create passive income with ChatGPT and Quora. Now, when someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale as a commission. By leveraging the power of Quora's platform and your expertise in a particular niche, you can potentially earn a significant amount of money through affiliate marketing on Quora. However, it's important to follow Quora's guidelines and regulations regarding promotional content and to always disclose any affiliate links to your audience. To recap what we've discussed in the video, first, go to Quora and sign up for a free account. Next, pick 3 categories you want to focus on while using ChatGPT. After this, break down the categories with ChatGPT. Also, search for specific questions on the Quora platform. And after that, generate a good answer by using ChatGPT and hunt for a product from Digistore 24 with your affiliate link. Finally, paste the link in your answer and submit it. I hope you can now create affiliate links yourself and earn with ChatGPT on autopilot. So if you're going to search for problems right now, don't forget to tell me about your thoughts about this idea in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Income Booster for more great content about making money online with ChatGPT. And if you want to stay up to date with all our latest videos, hit the notification bell so you never miss a thing. And finally, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.